Now here we have a real beauty. This is a 1989/1990 Ducati 851 Superbike. Now this lovely example we imported from Japan, and we have refurbished the bike extensively. So that's new tyres, new pads, a full service, belts, filters, a new fuel pump, and also a new clutch. So everything that has been done to this needs to be done, has been done. Now, a very good example, as I mentioned, 100% standard, except for someone has fitted a Nissan master cylinder, which gives the brakes a lot better feel than the original Brembo unit. This one also has an Öhlins rear shock fitted. Now, mileage is 40,932 kilometres, which is about 25,500 miles. Now, a horrible key. This is very much a Japanese thing, and the bike will come with 2 normal keys. My apologies. New full pump as mentioned. It sounds great. Lovely carbon silencers. Bridgestone tyres, front and rear. They're all new. New battery. If they're a rev a little bit more. Example, standard footrests, no rear sets, the original Mazzocchi rear front forks, original Brembo calipers. The wheels are great. We actually have repainted those in the original shade of white, as they do yellow up over time. And as you can see, a lovely example. What I do love about these bikes is it was the Cagiva era, so you get the elephant there. You get the elephant there, upside down. You even get the elephant engraved in the fuel cap. And that's a lovely thing to see with those Cagiva era bikes. So she's supplied on an age-related plate with a V5C, and she'll come with 12 months MOT, 12 months warranty, and a fantastic example. Again, buying these bikes in Japan, they haven't had the hard use or track use like a UK or European bike does. So you're buying a bike that's had an easier life and hasn't seen all those UK winters, harsh winters, and all the awful salt that we stick on the roads. So the bike's going live on YouTube and Instagram today, and she'll also be on Car and Classic and her own website, Classic and Rare. So any questions, we look forward to hearing from you. We are interested in part exchanges. I can't take everything that's offered to me, but please let us know, and we'll see what we can do. Another nice touch is the Ducati importer at the time, Murayama, used to fit the bikes with these lovely enamel badges with its own unique serial number. And somebody's added a Ducati 85 Battle of the Twins decal along with a Howard replica decal, which of course they never did a Howard replica on the 851, but a lovely period bike. If you have any questions, we look forward to hearing from you.